Oh no, that sums up the year perfectly. Hurts to be quarantined, feeling worthlessly and personally I be down until the girl that thirsts for me comes around. I better pull out mercifully now with some urgency, so nervously I did. But no joke, the condom broke, I better not have a kid. Hopefully she don't have a baby from pre-cum. If so, my life might be done. Prayers, I'ma need some Dubsky. Yo.
Ini badannya di mana sih?
FML, people sicker than getting well. This year's been a living hell and I ain't tryna dwell. I try to be optimistic. This paper I got to get it. I've been shooting my shot, guess I missed it.
Oh, tuh. Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah, la ilaha illallah. Gimana ini? Allahu Akbar, tangan.
Bisa, nih pelan-pelan nih, takut ini nih.
Iya, ini tahu. Gimana? Allah.
Akhirnya.
Ya Allah.